Hey guys, this is Eric RPG once again, and sorry for the crackly audio last time. I was experimenting with my webcam. I don't know why it does that, so I'm just going to stick to my headset. Yeah, we're on the crazy moon now. And obviously, gravity's been affected. It's easy to lose your health really quickly in this level. I need health because I'm going to die. Yeah, that sucked big time. I'll just stick to the bottom this time. I got plenty of lives, why not? Yeah, getting out of that hellhole. Does that thing ever stop? I have the feeling it doesn't. You know what? I think I've got enough that I can afford to buy some health. Yep, I want that extra life. Getting the hell out of here. This area is very treasure-like. So we got aliens trying to kill us. And I didn't mean to use my balloon there. It's one of the last places that we actually have to use that stuff, though. Just stay ahead of him. Watch out for his lasers. Watch out for those, too. Man, talk about craziness. Dude, gee, I wonder what I'm doing. No, no, no. Okay, yep. You asked for it, dude. You're acting like an idiot. Anal probing. Arms. Great. Whoa. Everything wants to kill me. I'm getting another balloon. It's over here. Yay. It's gonna smush me, oh no! Jump right over it. Goal. It's flying pig cat things. Talk about being suicidal. Just hitching a ride. Damn it. I slipped off. I'm supposed to go right up there. There we go. Yeah, you kind of not invincible when you do that. I don't know how I'm supposed to get that either. Oh, balloons. Too bad it's kind of a death trap. There we go. Crap, that sucked. Goal! I think that was an extra life. You have to wait for that thing to fill up. Darn it, I missed my jump. This thing looks a lot like it came out of Sonic. Come on, water, dude. Let me kill you. Crouch. Oh, that was lucky. I wasn't even really trying to get up there. Now would be a good time to save. Oh no. Alright. Oh look, it's the Mega Man blocks. Although they're thankfully a lot easier to deal with. Going this way, it's quicker. There we go. Oh, this section's fun. Why don't I use up the last of my balloons here? Oh boy, I accidentally wasted one. Oh, this is boring, waiting for this. Or I could just do that. course. I think I only have a few left. Gotta watch out for the ball. Oh no! Yeah, you do it all over again if you fail. I got an idea. I think it'll work great. Aha! You're that Ronald clown. If you want to see your friends again, give me those jewels. I guess. He wants more. Well, screw you. I guess I could afford to give you them. I think I have one more balloon. Or several. Yes. He gave me a lot. Yeah. That's what happens when you do drugs. You just pass out. Get away! Hurry! What the heck? This definitely looks like a treasure enemy. I don't know if they hurt you or not. I'm not gonna stick around and find out though. Yeah, it's final boss time. Alright. Whoops. Yeah, I'm gonna save here too, because why not? You gotta hit this guy 4 times, and the way you attack him is a little weird. Let's see. I wanna go over here. Alright, we've taken care of that attack. Darn it! I'm in trouble. Yeah, I'm gonna save state this. He's a little difficult to deal with, since you never know what he's gonna do. So I should probably go in this door. Whoa, that was close. See, maintaining your health here is very difficult. Well, I got a piece of health back. That hurt. See, I don't know what he's gonna do. He does things at random. And you have to be directly above him just so he can take a joule. Okay, I wanna... let's see. Yeah. Yeah, so it's about 4 hits and he's done. He should be in good shape now. One more hit should do him in. Well, that was lame. Let's see, I wonder what door he's gonna go in next. Oh, I took too long. There we go. Finally, you can watch the ending of this game. Now we can evict this guy so MoonMan can move back into his house and be a racist bastard. And I'll do all kinds of horrible things to us. Take the treasure! Even though he tried to kill us, we're gonna forgive him. What? You mean that was the treasure all along? A transport? A rainbow bridge, yay! How's that a treasure? So, we accomplished nothing in this game. Nothing at all. Other than being an asshole. Oh boy. That does not look like Earth. Yay! All us losers are coming back. Another fun adventure, more like a misadventure because nothing was accomplished of any purpose. I guess they made friends though. Staff, yay! It was trademarked. Oh boy. It's not that bad of a platformer, but there are better platformers out there. It's nice to know Treasure doesn't slouch when it comes to making a game like this. Graphic design. Kei Kimura. And Kei Shindo. Program M. Maegawa. Yeah. Also, Konig Ishida. Sound design is from Nazo 2 Suzuki. He also did the soundtrack to Gunstar Heroes and Gunstar Superheroes. S. Murata. I think he also helped work on that game. Design assistant. Hiromi. Just Hiromi. Special thanks. Noriko. Again, just a single name. Who else is special thanks? Akian. Okay. Might be a shortened. Director Kei Kimura. Evil Clowns. Producer M. Maegawa. Yeah. I can't pronounce that right for the first time for whatever reason. Thank you for playing! Oh, no exclamation point? Where's your enthusiasm? Presented by McDonald's. Yay. Big walking advertisement. Well, if cartridges could walk. Also, presented by Sega. Produced by Treasure. See you! Now we get to hear a little nice music. I don't even remember who that captain is. I remember him, but I just don't remember his name. And this is all you get. A screen. I'll let it loop once, then I'll finish it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this Let's Play. Next time I'll be actually doing Snatcher for the Sega CD. I hope you enjoy that as well. See you later.